how to get to Gloomwald in Grim Dawn. So once you've completed the main campaign, so you've gone to Fort Icon, gone all the way up here into the necropolis and killed the main guy, you will then get a quest from Inquisitor Creed, which is called Desperate Measures, and it says destroy the ethereal barrier leading north out of the Burrich Estates. So what you want to do is you want to teleport all the way over here to Burrich Village. There we go. Boom. Easy enough. And then once you've done that, you simply want to run over here. Over here. So you go up and right. Also known as north and then east. So let's run, run. And then if all has gone correctly, we should see a dynamite pile. So keep running across here. Maybe we'll get a legendary. That would be nice. Legendary! Give me something. Nope. So keep running, keep running. You basically run into this, you see this spot on the map. That is the ethereal barrier. Oh, come on, this... Oh, we got something. That looks kind of cool. Gonna pick that up. I have no idea where I'm going. I'm playing on a 4K monitor, but it's in 1080p, so it's tiny. So yeah, there we go. Easy enough to find. Right, here we are in Burrich Estates. Click on this. Go bang. And then you run up here. And that's Gloomwald. Okay, stay tuned for 2 seconds. Let's see if we get something cool. That doesn't look very cool. No, that's not very good at all. So I hope you did enjoy. If you did, be sure to leave a like and also click the subscribe button to help Minutemanual get to 100,000 subscribers. You can also leave a super like if you're feeling very kind. This will help me to pay off my student debts. And you'll also look cool because people will be able to see it in the comments. Thank you and goodbye.